Are you ready? The time has come. Let the show begin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
I'll be eating some cottage cheese now. A tub of cottage cheese. There we go. Cottage cheese. Oh, that's nice. Cottage cheese. It's up tomorrow, so that's why I'm eating it now. So it's reduced. See? So it's reduced. So I'm going to scoff this now. It's a rice pudding in a way. No. $24 grams of protein. I think I'll be getting some more of this for protein food. Absolutely. Oh, this is nice. Almost gone. So that is a tub of cottage cheese, everybody. More protein for me. Come on. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you again in a bit for the live stream. See you in a bit.